SteveCarrington.com here, review the channel. I'm Lambro Steve. Today's day 2 of the Cape Rally. We are at the tunnel. Can you see the tunnel through the sun? The tunnel. Guys, this is a 7-kilometer or like 4-mile tunnel. So the only thing proper to do would be to film out of a Huracan Spider through the tunnel with the entire group. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We're all getting lined up here. Everyone's getting lined up. At some point we will pull out and essentially block traffic so that we won't have a bunch of cars ahead of us. And then we're gonna get Grant at the back since he's the slowest. Hey. And then we will, oh hey buddy, sorry. And then we will haul through. But I'm gonna hop in with Kapil in the Lamborghini Huracan Spider and we'll get some revs. Oh dude, look at this. This is a yeah! We just saw that thing throw flames out both pipes earlier.
I'm telling you.
Evil Merce, what up?
It's epic.
Hey, I'm going in that Spider.
Oh, you gotta put the top down.
Yeah, through the tunnel, put the top down. 4 miles.
Oh, it's gonna be sick. Hey,
woo!
I'll tell you another thing. We're gonna hold the traffic back so we can really blast. We're not gonna crawl through. We're gonna blast this tunnel. We're gonna try to catch Hello Kitty.
No! There's the kitty. This is the lineup. Whoa! Everybody's revving. And we hop in with Kapil. We'll be back once we're in the tunnel, boys.
All right, guys. I want to introduce you to Thrish. I actually could not believe when I met Thrish on this trip. This is going to be one of the most epic tunnel runs of all times. And to add the cherry to the top, we have Thrish is going to be leading this rally. I mean, this guy is a legend in South Africa in the SVJ. Thrish is the man.
Here we go.
We're going to do it. All right, Thrish. You're going to be world renowned now.
Okay, boys and girls. I'm in the Huracan Spider. We're about to roll through the tunnel. Everybody's getting ready. know if you heard any of that, but we're in the tunnel behind the twin-turboed Huracan, hauling. He's shooting flames the whole way. I tried to hang out the top, but it was so freaking windy. It was ridiculous. That was fun. So we're heading up through. You can see the area that we're in. We're heading on to our lunch spot, which is about 4 hours away, maybe 3.5 hours. And we'll try to get some epic video. I'm rolling in the Spider now, so I'm sure we'll get some shots of some beautiful landscape. So stick around, we'll be back. We're still in the middle of Africa. We're still chasing the Gallardo, shooting flames. But look at this, we're in the mountains.
Hey. Wants to make us famous.
That's Ivan back there. He's just checking the rocks to make sure they're nice and hydrated. Or peeing, one of those two. But we're heading up this mountain pass and it looks like it's a little backed up. So we may be here for a minute. So we're gonna try to find some fun to get into. We'll be back. Okay, Lambros, it's me and Ivan. We're way out front in the lead. Here's the deal. Here's what I figured out. Whoever I ride with, that's who's in first. Expert navigator Lambro Steve. So we're pulling through this little town, following Tariq and Stelio, a couple knuckleheads. Turn left, everybody follows them. I look over, I'm like, no, these guys are knuckleheads, let's go back on the road. So here we are, we're probably 10 miles ahead of them now. We're hauling to the lunch spot, so I'm sure we'll get there first like usual. We'll be back. Hey homies, we are here. I'm with Ivan. Of course, we're in the lead. The white Huracan did catch us, but we had to stop by this main attraction called Ronnie's Sex Shop. Now it's really a sex shop, so we're gonna go in and see what it's like. See ya. Tour of the sex shop. There's panties and undies.
Get something to drink, you?
Yeah. I don't know if any of these are for sale.
There's a Lamborghini head.
This chick literally put a picture of herself on her bra.
So me and Grant dropped it off and we did a route initially. So this is 3 weeks ago. We dropped off our cat.
Oh, that's right. I remember this on the chat.
Yeah.
Already has a hat here. Nice. Is that Ronnie? That's him, huh? Nice. And then everyone has written everywhere on the walls. Everyone is written everywhere. Oh, the business cards like crazy here. Almost everywhere. There's Ronnie. The man, the myth, the legend. So apparently this place used to just be called Ronnie's Shop and no one ever came. So they changed the name to Ronnie's Sex Shop, and now it's an attraction on 62 here in the middle of, we're in the, somewhere around the Cape on the southern tip of Africa. You see the mountains out here. Now, we left all those other losers because they didn't know where they were going. And we will wait for them to get here.
What are you drinking? I'm just gonna have a water.
Okay guys, couple other things to note at the sex shop. They have milkshakes.
Coffee and tea and milkshakes, okay.
Peanut butter and Jack Daniels, banana and rum, no. Coffee and rum, Turkish Delight and vodka, lime and Jägermeister. That's crazy.
I'm gonna get a Coke. How many Cokes must I have?
And then look, that's how you spell sex in Afrikaans. Afrikaans. Sex in full color.
In a fucked up language.
Yeah. Just get some perspective here, people, on where we are, where Ronnie's sex shop is. And there's some person sitting in Grant's car revving the engine. I don't think it's Grant since he's standing outside of his car. So we're literally in the middle of nowhere. You'll have to go on Google and look up Ronnie's sex shop in Africa and see if you can find where I'm at. And next is lunch stop, so I'm not going to film much before there. A lot of open roads, so we'll be flying, and we'll be back.
Hi, I'm Fuck.
His name is Fucker.
Yes.
I have to bleep this out. He can't even say his name on camera. This is awesome. They're from Holland. Up there, they're fuckers. All right, we just pulled over because Kapil's car is in the intensive care unit right now.
I don't have a color code.
Apparently,
Why not?
can you tell me what happened here? You said a truck mirror.
No, we hit the truck.
You hit the truck.
Yes.
Hold on. On which side were you?
I was on that side.
Oh, you were taking a
Yeah.
truck.
Oh, you were passing a truck and you hit their mirror. Just like in America, duct tape fixes everything.
If you can't fix it, just use more duct tape.
More duct tape.
That's it.
So
We got
we're
plenty.
in this mountain pass, and Kapil was probably traveling the speed limit
Duct tape my fucking door.
and came through here somewhere, past a truck, and then upon passing the truck, clipped his mirror on the truck. It's impressive. Hey, don't worry. I already know those things cost
30 grand.
I think about $1,400 US.
30,000 rand.
30,000 Rand.
Yeah. That's about 3 months salary for average people here.
Kapil, no problem.
You're gonna send
Just
us one from there.
yeah,
Yeah, it's cheaper there.
yeah. You just take it. I'll take it off my car and ship it and say it's a heat exchanger. So we're literally like on the side of the road. With trucks flying by. And there's some guys behind us, there's some guys in front of us, but we couldn't leave a Lambro on the side of the road. By the way, did you guys check out these shirts? These are limited edition, only for South Africa. We may print some for the US. If you want one, make a comment and say, I want one, and maybe I will print up a few more, but we'll see if his mirror hangs on at 150. We'll see. Okay, Lambros, we're leaving lunch at the D Dorfus. The cars are coming out, the kids are going crazy, and we're gonna head down to this little town, and we're doing rides. Grab some ass. Bezel's trying to grab my ass. So we're gonna go to this town and do a charity drive where we're taking the kids around town in rides about 4 kilometers around, and they're marking out the streets. They actually have went in and cut the speed bumps out of the roads. So it should be fun. We'll be back. Oh, there's Jimmy. Hey. Okay, we left the lunch spot. Ivan over here successfully avoided hitting a dog in the road. literally was aiming for his car. And what else happened? Oh, we just hit, I think we just almost hit 200. So we did 319 kilometers per hour. And we're going around this curve. Oh God, here we go. Also, the twin turbo Huracan bezel. We passed him. And we're about to catch up to another white Huracan. But here's the funny thing. There's a Volkswagen that is keeping up with us right now. I don't even know who they are. They're not on the rally. But I'm pretty sure they passed bezel too.
Okay, here we go.
We all went flying around. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna. Oh God. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Later.
Running on 5 cylinders.
Oh, we were only on 5 cylinders then, and we passed them. Hey, we
Look
passed
at the view.
a Lambo passing a Lambo. Here we go. Oh dear God. Beautiful view. Woo. Sorry if it's so shaky.
I can put in a comfort mode just for you.
Okay, on the G-boards. Oh, we'll be back. Wow. Okay, once again, we are here, and Ivan and Lambo Steve are first. And here's the first loser. If you ain't first, you're last. Delio, if you ain't first, you're last, bro.
And Nick.
Hey, Nick. Hey, these kids wanted us to ask you how come you don't drive that thing? Because you're late, bro.
We are not late. We just filled up. We filled up.
Disappointing. Disappointing. Well, we're gonna go get a shower while the rest of the guys roll in. Okay, Lambros, we've made it to our next destination. That's the end today. We have an event tonight, but I will start that in another vlog, whatever you want to call it. I'm here with Grant, and we are in, what is this town that we're in?
Mossel Bay.
Mossel Bay, South Africa. See you in the next video.